Give it up one more time for Michael Margettis. Love that man. Love that man's back hair. Anyway, we're going to play a game called Sound Effects with Fish and Carly, so give them a round of applause. Let's get them up here. You guys choose who wants to do... Okay. Alright, so the way that this game works is one of these people is going to be doing a scene, and the other person is going to be doing all the sound effects for that person's scene. So what I need is... I need one person's name, please. Fish. Fish will be doing the scene for us today. Carly will be doing our sound effects. Now, what is a mundane activity Fish is doing? Something mundane. What?
Shaving his pubes.
What did you say?
Shaving his pubes.
I heard shaving his pubes and brushing his teeth. So why don't we make it brushing his pubes? Does that work? Brushing his pubes, okay? Alright, guys, let's give a nice warm round of applause. This is Sound Effects. Facebook. Boop, 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 boop. What? Oh yeah. Hey, fuck you, bird. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God.